Hey, pause right now. If you're okay with bombing your exams, feeling like you wasted months of your life, or getting outsmarted by your dog's homework, smash that close button. Go ahead. But if you want to turn your brain into a laser-focused, grade-crushing machine, you've got 2.5 minutes. Let's go. I used to study like a zombie, highlighters, all-nighters, crying over coffee. Then I hacked the system. And today, I'm handing you 3 stupidly simple methods that'll make your brain soak up info faster than a TikTok trend. Method number 1, it's so obvious, you'll hate yourself for not trying it sooner. The 20-minute rule. No, it's not what you think. Forget study for 3 hours. Your brain gets bored after 20 minutes, so weaponize it. Set a timer, 20 minutes of insane focus. No phone, no snacks, just you and the work. Then reward yourself. 5 minutes of memes, push-ups, whatever. Repeat. Why? You're hacking your dopamine. Your brain will beg you to study, but here's the twist. You'll want to skip the reward, and that's how I'll ruin your procrastination forever. Warning. Method number 2 breaks the universe. Method number 2 is called chaos to clarity. Your notes look like a raccoon threw up on them? Perfect. Grab 2 highlighters. One for key facts, one for questions. Force every page to have both. Why? Your brain learns by fighting confusion. No more passive reading. You're hunting for answers. But the real game changer? Method number 3. And if you think you're bad at math or can't memorize, this will delete that lie. Method number 3 is banned in 7 countries. Just kidding. But it's illegally effective. It's called the fake teacher drill. After studying, close your eyes and pretend you're explaining the topic to a 10-year-old out loud. Stumble, start over. This forces your brain to fix gaps immediately. Do this before bed, and your subconscious will work like a spy overnight. But I've saved the darkest secret for last. The biggest exam killer isn't laziness. It's dehydration. Your brain shrinks when you're thirsty. Shrinks. So, drink water like your GPA depends on it, because it does. Oh, and sleep? Cutting it to study more is like using a chainsaw to trim your nails. Stop it. You've got 3 weapons now. Use them, or don't. Keep scrolling. But when you're holding that A+, remember, I told you so.